So today in this video I'm going to plant one of these cuttings that I have from my ginseng ficus. Now these are just ficuses because the ginseng is gone out of it. So stay tuned and I'll show you how I do it. I even use a DIY cheap pot. Stay tuned.
Hey peeps, welcome to my channel Vertigo 117.
You can see this is the lowest setting. It's like the setting of screwing in some screws, and I pre-soaked the pot in water. That way it took up a bit of moisture and it won't break too hard on me. Yep, there we go. And I drilled from the bottom to the top, because as you can see here, not sure if you can spot it right, there's a bit of cracks, and I don't like the bit of cracks on the bottom. Normally you don't see the bottom, but in my opinion it's neater this way. I'll make 3 holes for attaching the small bonsai or the sapling, and I'll drill a few extra holes for water evacuation, drainage, that's it. See, there's more of a breakout from this one. It's hard to show on camera. There you go, there you can see it properly. See, it chipped out a bit. Here's a small chip. That way you don't see that too much from the bottom. Okay, I'll drill a few extra holes for drainage and I'll be right back with you. Okay, so I'm invited to a friend's house and I wanted to do a small bonsai for him. I'm not sure if he's into it or anything like that, but I thought it would be a cool present. It's even for cheap, hope he doesn't mind. But I got him some other goodies as well, some nice beer and all that. So this is a DIY pot that I just drilled some holes in. I added, oh damn, it fell off already. Need to put a new one or something else. If it falls, always not good. So drill holes. It used to be a candle like this, and it's just to make it as cheap as possible. I mean, it's an everyday asshole thing, and bonsaiing doesn't have to be that expensive. So I get my soil mix here, akadama, and what's that white stuff again, perlite, and plain potting soil. I'm going to mix that up. It's about 1/4, 2/4 and half of it. So going to mix that up and I'll see you guys when I'll put it all together. Give me a second. Okay, so mixed it all in. This is one of the cuttings that I had from my ginseng ficus. Got quite a bit of nice roots on it, and it's time to pot it, this guy. So I prepped the pot already, told you guys that. I got some strings going across so that I can attach the sapling in the middle of the pot That way it doesn't move too much and it can get nice and strong roots all over the pot. Okay, let's do a time lapse. Okay, so I think I'm going to wire them up a bit. Not too much crazy bends, just lay the foundation and they can bend it however they want to. And I'm going to do this off camera because my hands are will be always in the way, so you won't see anything, but I'll show you the result afterwards. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, so did the wiring. Started out with 3 wires, and every time I came across a branch I just wrapped around the other branch. And this used to be the main leader. Now I'm not sure if you guys can spot this properly. It should be visible. And the trunk was straight. Now I kind of slightly bent the trunk a bit, and now the goal is so that this one becomes the main leader. So hopefully this will turn out into a nice small bonsai. It will need some time before he gets smaller leaves, but all should be fine. Now I'm going to address it a bit, add some sand, maybe a rock or two to make it prettier, and give it something to look at for the moment. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that this will be the front, at least in my opinion. You don't see too well with these 2 big leaves, but once he gets smaller leaves it will be fine. Yeah, let's spin this baby around so that you can see what it looks like. Now I know this pot is a bit big for the actual size of the tree, but it can still grow. It has potential. Don't forget to check out Green Machine Sweden's channel. Goddamn tongue twister. Green Machine Sweden's channel. That's it. I'll put a link in the description. As I mentioned earlier, make sure to check him out, guys. He has some awesome bonsais, some good tips, some easy or cheap pots as well. He will show you a few of his techniques to find cheap pots. And yeah, that's it. If you liked it, don't forget to smash that like button. Consider subscribing, and I might see you on one of my other videos. Take care.